Alright guys, so now we're outside. You can tell I just spray a little bit because I just showed you guys how it looks from inside. See the little thing right there. But I'm gonna show you guys the windshields, the new ones. Came this package from Germany. Can't really show you, but that's what the company is. Here we have the replacement ones. It's actually so easy to replace these wipers that, like, I'm pretty sure you can train a monkey to do it. Like those little spider monkeys. Alright. I'm gonna make sure it's the same length though. I'd say the same length. Yeah. Oh, it went like this.
Yeah.
Alright, you literally pick it up, right? Look how easy it is. You just turn it, and then you pull it out. That's how easy it is. I thought it was going to be a little harder, but I guess not. But yeah, here's the old one. It's almost like nothing. And the new one, look how much it's got. How much squeegee it has compared to this one. This one has nothing. And you put the new one in like this. Then you put it back, and then it should fold open like that. Now I'm about to replace the other one in a second. Now we're gonna do the other one. You gotta make sure you first remove this film. It's a protector film that's on the actual blade. Alright. So once again, this side's easy as well. I could literally go up to any Mercedes and just like quickly just take the blades off. I wouldn't do that though. I'm not gonna do that to my fan. If I wanted to, I could. There we go. New wiper blades. Alright, I'm about to activate the windshield wipers and we'll see how it clicks. Alright, yeah, looks way cleaner. See, my camera woman's gotta go pee. There's something in here though. It's like living a streak here, you can tell.
Yeah.
I just cleaned it, so hopefully it's gone. But yeah, now it looks good. A lot of foamy. Used to leave a lot of streak. Now it ain't leaving no streaks, so that's good. Alright, thanks for watching the video guys. Have a good one.